Alright, what's up, y'all? Today I got something from Sharks. Never had them before, so we're gonna see what it do. It's right here. 3 wings, 3 strips, and some fries. $13.99. So it better be good. Alright, so first I'm gonna try these this chicken wing. No, I always go with the fries first because they get cold first. So let's try these fries. Fair. 1 to 10, I give them a 6. Next, we're gonna try these chicken wings. Some big old wings again. The one that's hot as hell. Just came out the grease, just like I like it. Like I said, it's hot. This is good though. The wings I get like an 8, 8.5. These are real good. I'm messing with them. God damn, they hot though. Okay. Last but not least, chicken strips. Some big ass strip too. Just came out the grease. Some barbecue sauce with them. I like honey mustard too, but they didn't have that. It's like everybody just has barbecue and ranch all the time, you know. I'm a little disappointed in the chicken strip. I'm taking one more bite, see if I get a different opinion. All 3 things on this plate, chicken strip is the least favorite. I'm gonna give it like a 4, to be real with you. Fries and chicken, no, I do that, man, it's good. So check them out at Sharks. They're all right. Overall, I get a plate about a 7. All right. TG 831, I'm out.